What if your AI assistant never needed you to explain everything all over again? Meet Hermes Agent, an AI that learns over time and gets better the more you use it. Created by Nous Research, Hermes Agent is an open-source AI agent released in February 2026. Unlike a regular chatbot, Hermes runs on your own server, remembers your work, and can even create new skills for itself. Its biggest strength is its memory. After every session, Hermes remembers your projects, preferences, and previous tasks. Whenever it solves a complex problem, it turns that solution into a reusable skill, so the next time it can complete the same task even faster. Hermes Agent works across 20+ platforms, including Telegram, Discord, Slack, WhatsApp, Signal, and email, all sharing the same memory. It can also schedule tasks using natural language, such as generating daily reports or running automatic backups, without requiring manual setup. According to NVIDIA, Hermes Agent surpassed 140,000 GitHub stars in just 3 months and became the most used AI agent on OpenRouter. It also runs exceptionally well on hardware like RTX PCs and DGX Spark. If you're looking for an AI assistant that doesn't just answer questions, but actually learns, adapts, and grows alongside you, Hermes Agent is definitely worth trying. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which platform you'd like to try Hermes Agent on first.